Traders, just wanted to update you with a trade that I initiated today on the US dollar Canadian dollar pair. The Bank of Canada were expected to keep their rates on hold. However, they surprised the market by uh, raising their interest rate. So that surprise saw an immediate impact in the Canadian dollar, with everyone buying the Canadian dollar. Obviously, a raise in interest rates is a very bullish signal for a currency. The interest rates that are deposited in the Canadian banks will get more interest, so money pours in. And when the money poured in here, I initiated a short sell position. And what I'm looking for is two things. There's not much data out for either the Canadian dollar or the US dollar for the rest of the week. There is some data, top tier data, but it's not necessarily very market moving. So I'm expecting there to be continued Canadian dollar buying into the next few sessions at least. So what I'm looking at is I'm looking at the lower time frames. I'm expecting at least a test of these lows. And I'm going to be looking very carefully to see how that test of that lows carries on. I'm a bit concerned on the daily chart with a little bit of uh, support being found here. There's a little bit of buying interest. It's not that much, and the day hasn't closed yet, but it does concern me a little bit, if I'm honest. So I'm going to be watching carefully to see how price reacts at this level, and I might take off some of my positions, maybe move some to break even. The best case scenario for me is that the price drops down to 1.2. So that's the ideal situation for me. And the way I play that is if we get a clean break of this intraday level here. If I get a clean break down, test, and drop further, and then if I get more Canadian dollar buying tomorrow and into Friday, then I might put stops to break even, and those levels will pretty be well defended. So unlikely that I necessarily get hit out until we get 1.2. So that's where I'm playing it. I'm pretty confident um, on this trade, and so I've gone in deeper than I normally would. But I said just to get anything that's concerning me is this support and buying of the US dollar that we saw at that level. Okay, guys, that's my trade. Just wanted to update you guys what I'm doing and how I'm playing it. Okay.